again. For our little art project today, what we're going to make is a plate of pretend pancakes. I know so many of you have been at home and have tried to stay busy and come up with fun activities to do. So today we're going to do something that's just kind of something you can play pretend with. To go along with our story, if you give a pig a pancake, we're just going to make these little paper plate pancakes for you to play with. They're really simple. All you need is just the following items to make this project. You need simple white paper plates. These are really inexpensive. You might have them at home. You can use big ones if you have big ones. I just happen to have these small ones. I got about 40 of them at the dollar store for $1. You're going to need some white tissue paper. Just plain white tissue paper or whatever color you want to, because we're going to paint it. Some yellow construction paper and some white and brown paint. So we're going to get started here, and I'm going to show you how I do this. We're going to do a little bit of a mosaic. So first of all, we're going to take this tissue paper right here, and we're going to cut it into strips. And you don't have to make it perfect. You can make it whatever size you want. They can be squared, they can be big pieces, they can be little pieces. It doesn't matter. You can make them whatever size that you want. So cut your white tissue paper, or whatever tissue paper you have, into all kinds of different little strips. Then you're going to want to take one of your paper plates, and you want to turn it upside down. Be careful, there's a lot of them and they stick together. So you're going to take one of your white paper plates, and you're going to want to turn it so that it's upside down. You don't want it like this, you want it just like this. So you're going to turn that upside down. Then you're going to take your tissue paper that you've already cut, and you're going to put it right on your paper plate, just like this, right on the back. Start off with a couple of pieces, and this is so simple. All you're going to do is take your paint. Now what I did with my paint is I mixed my white and my brown together so that it kind of looked like a pancake color. You can make yours yellow if you want to, just whatever kind of pancakes you like to have. If you want to put blue spots on them and make blueberries, you really can make your pancakes look however you want to. I'm going to keep mine simple today and just do it a simple color. So I'm going to take the paint, and as soon as I put the tissue paper on the paper plate, I'm just going to paint over it. That's going to help it to stick. You can really put it anywhere you want to. Just put that tissue paper on and a little bit of paint, and just paint that tissue paper down. Just a little at a time until you've got the whole plate covered with tissue paper and paint. Some of mine, I did a lot of tissue paper. Some of them I did a little bit of tissue paper. You're just kind of giving it a little bit of some bumps and lumps, because one pancake is perfect. I don't have perfect pancakes. My pancakes are all kinds of different shapes. So you're just going to keep adding tissue paper and painting over it. And once it dries, that tissue paper is going to stick. So just keep adding it as much as you want until you get your whole plate covered with it, just like this. Add a little more and a little more. You really can just add as much or as little as you want to. It's totally up to you. Until you have your whole plate covered, like I have this one. See, I put lots of different tissue paper, and I made it look like it's got all kinds of little bumps and lumps, like a real pancake. And then, after that, I took some yellow construction paper, and I cut it to look like butter. You can do squares if you want. If you want little squares, you can cut the edges off so that they look like real butter. And then you just take a little glue, or you can even put it right on that wet paint, like this. And it'll dry right on there. And you can even, if you really want to get super creative, you can take your brown paint and squirt it all on there like syrup. And then when it dries, you have a pretend pancake to make. You can do this if you want to paint both sides, and you can flip them. And you can just have all kinds of fun. You can pretend like you're a cook. You can pretend like you work in a restaurant. Whatever you want to do right now to be creative. That's it. That's simple. Just a little bit of paint and some tissue paper and some construction paper, and you've got pretend pancakes. Thanks so much. We hope you guys are safe, and we can't wait to see you at the Foundry Art Center soon.